Hello and welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see how to work on Lombok. So you need to download Eclipse. You can use any version or you can use any bit, like depends on your system requirement. So let me unzip it, extract here. Okay. So my file has been extracted. So just go inside that and start the Eclipse. So it is the fresh one, so that you will get all the ideas how we are going to do Lombok setup, and if it is not working then how we'll resolve it. Okay, so let me open it and let me set up a Maven project in that. So now here it's my newly like fresh one Eclipse. So just close this one, welcome part, and you need to go inside the file. As of now we are going to create a Maven project so that we can add the Lombok jar in Maven dependency. So you need to create a file, then new, and here you need to select Maven project. So here we know. So you just need to create you just need to say next here and just select the quick start. As we are going to do nothing, we will just create one getter and setter class like Pojo class, and we will see the all the functionality if it is coming from the Lombok. So just say next here and let it create that one. You can specify group ID. So com dot slash code, and here my project name, so test. Okay, now say finish. It will create a project with having the pom.xml file here. So here we will get structure like something like this. So we'll have the that package name, and inside that you will have one main class which is just same like hello world. And so we will create one class here as a Pojo class, and we will check the functionality if getter and setter is coming through the Lombok. Okay, so go inside the pom.xml. You need to add the dependencies here. So how to add dependencies here? So here the pom.xml file, you just need to add one more dependency for Lombok. Okay, so this is the Lombok dependency, this one. So version we are going to use 1.18.8. so you can check the Lombok website. So okay, so we are getting that in our pom.xml. Just save it. It will import the that one like Lombok jars in your dependencies, Maven dependencies. You can see here it added here. Okay, so to use that one, let me add one Pojo class here. Say new, and you can make a class here, person. Okay, leave it that, keep it as it is, only in the same package as we are using doing as the test only. So my person.java class will have some private field here. Person ID will have person name here. My mistake. Okay. So we'll have something like this. So it will give us a warning like create and getter and setter and each and everything. So if I want to use Lombok, I will say add direct data here. Let's see if it is coming or not. So it is coming. Okay, but you can see here as we have added the data also, but that warning, it is still there, like create a getter and setter for person ID. So what we are gonna do means it is not installed. So how to install the Lombok in that Eclipse? So you can see here help. If you go help in about Eclipse, you will see that one, like this thing only, Apache product and all this thing. So okay, so this is my project Lombok. As you will go on their website, the project Lombok is the Java library that automatically plugs into editor and builds the tools like spicing up your Java. Never write another getter or equals method again. With one annotation, your class will fill feature builder. So we no need to create a getter and setter and each and everything. So you need to go there. You need to say download. You can download that 1.18.8, or you can add a dependency in that pom.xml file. So if I will install my Lombok in Eclipse, so I will get the Lombok version here also after this line. So how to do that? So you need to go on your m2 directory. So we are here. So like every time it will create one local repository. Inside that it will have all installed files. So we are working on 1.18.8. so I will go inside that, and I need to run one command here. So you need to select a shift here, and you can select the right, you can click on right click, and you can open command window here only. So we are on the command prompt. So you need to type one command here. So just I have copied that command. So we are running that jar file, which is java-jar Lombok and 1.18.8 jar. You need to click enter. So now it will open one user interface. So this is the UI. So we need to specify our location where we have extracted our Eclipse. So specify location here. Click on specify location. So we need to select on D drive Lombok test. In that Eclipse folder we have. So here we have our Eclipse. So it is coming here. You need to click on install and update. So if you start Eclipse with the custom VM parameter, you will need to add this argument in your eclipse.inf file, but we no need to add it one. So just quit installer. Okay, now just restart your Eclipse so that it will come with overall functionality, like what just we have installed our Eclipse like that Lombok. So restart your Eclipse once again, and with same workspace. So now you can see here after restarting the Eclipse, I'm not getting any error, like any warning here. We are just as I specified the data, or I can specify all argument constructor here. So it is everything is coming from Lombok. And if you will go inside your folder structure, you will find something like this Lombok here. It is automatically came here, and you can see if you go inside that eclipse.inf file, you can see here it has been added. Which one? That Java agent, the Lombok jar location has been added here. So now let me check in my this one Eclipse. So as we have defined the person with all like at the data and all argument constructor, I will go inside my app.java where we have the main function. So I will create one person object here, and in that I will pass my person details. Let me see if that has been created or not. We can get to know. So person ID first, it will come here, and then we have the person name, and after that we have the person city name. Okay, So as you can see, we are not getting any error here. So means all constructor argument has been created internally as we have used the annotation. And now let me print one by one details. Now per dot toString, so we can say if toString has been implemented for the person class. And I can say here like person id equals to per dot get. Okay, so we are getting all the functions here. So so like this you can create. So per dot get person name, and again I will say like this, plus here person city. Okay, then plus per dot get person city here. So this is the that thing only. So we will get 1 2 3 Ramesh and Mumbai, and I need to check that toString has been implemented inside that. So just save it and run the application. So you can see here the inside internally Lombok implemented the toString method also, then that id method and that person name and person city. So that is the / n has been missed here, but you can add it. So that's all in this video, like how to use the Lombok. You can use multiple annotations which has been provided by Lombok. You can go through the websites and all, and you can check each and everything. So this is just example how to install. And the last thing which I want to show you, like if you go inside the help and about Eclipse, so I have told you like we'll get something below of this. So we are getting here also that 18.1 inverse ferret is installed. Okay, so you can see here which is not has been there, so it has been added here. So thank you so much guys in this video for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can please put in the comment section. I will definitely reply on that. If you have, please subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you so much.